Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol HMBL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Overall, very nice day today on this one, but really moving forward, there's two main levels that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, and rightfully so. They're very logical areas and logical dynamics to be paying attention to. And when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very, dynamic and worthwhile movements. And the first level that I think a lot of people are going to be watching, just because a lot of people, they know how to draw trend lines, and that's a good trend line to draw right there, because the price is now showing some signs of progress over the past couple of days by putting in these higher lows. So yes, this morning the price did gap down, but it didn't gap down as far as what it was right there. And then of course, the price recovered very, very impressively. But point here being that it did allow, it did build the higher base, which now allows for this trend line to come into play. Meaning, as the price can get as dramatic as it wants. The price could come up here, then all the way down here, then all the way up here, and then come all the way down there, and then all the way, and you get the idea. But as long as the price stays above that line, what does that imply? Well, that's implying that the price continues to build those higher lows. And that's, that's what a reversal is going to be built on. It's just the price slowly showing signs of progress by putting in those higher lows. So just continue to watch that trend line there. And like I said, just, no matter how dramatic the price gets, as long as all the quote unquote drama is happening above that trend line, well, that still implies that upwards progress is being made. And then as far as the overarching area of resistance that I think a lot of people will be watching, that's where the purple line comes into play. Even if you have a very basic surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of that 50 period moving average, and you know that when the price is down below it, it does tend to act as resistance. So that'll be an important level to watch. But overall, those are going to be the two main dynamics to keep an eye on headed into Thursday. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.